Alright, y'all got a Grudge race coming up. Mustang versus Monte Carlo. Motor to motor.
Oh, that's great.
The Grudge race, man. Stevie, my boy Stevie. Hey, what you think gonna happen with this race? I know you say it's a new car, but
no, I feel like Andrew's ass.
Oh, that what you? Hey, you on motor too, ain't you? Look, let me see. Ain't nothing in there. Ain't nothing in there. All motor. What you call that car? Let's tell everybody now on camera.
Moby Dick.
Moby Dick. Moby Dick, man. Y'all know that whale now. That whale was taking people out, ships and everything. So that's the plan, I guess. It's a bad machine though. Bad machine. So we finna slide down here and see what his opponent think gonna happen, y'all. But like it's a new car, it's nice. Kind of getting the handle on it. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna have a solo video coming of this car too. It's a nice car. So this is his opponent.
Yes, sir.
Maurice.
Yeah, man. From my old supervisor, my old Stevie, man, and cocaine.
What? So I asked him what he think gonna happen. What you think gonna happen?
Slaughtered, man.
You
work for me out there.
He gonna work for you.
Yeah, I gonna work for me out there.
Hey, tell the world what you call this car.
Big Bomba, man. Big Bomba, man.
Where did name come from? Like, how you come up with it?
Hey, but tell you, it's funny how I came up with Tony with the cutting.
Yep.
He got little boy. Little boy is a atomic bomb that leveled an entire city like in the 1800s or whatever.
Right.
So Big Bomba is 3,333 times stronger than the little boy.
Little boy.
Yeah, it's another bomb.
So that's a good name.
Yeah, so I did it off of that. Right.
Man, I ain't never know that. I knew the name of his car, y'all, but I never knew how he came up with that. So that's why I want to get more interactive with the owners and stuff, y'all, so y'all can start back seeing this stuff.
Believe it or not, though, man, it's a David driver, man, pump gas, full. I mean, only thing light on is good. I mean, it's full.
Everything else still.
Yeah, everything's still.
Man, I can't say. I see him on live. I see you on your live stream be driving the mess out this car. So I done told people on my vlog channel before, like it's a true street car. We on the racing channel, but I done said on my vlog channel, y'all don't watch it. Like he got a bad street car, like true street. So going in the battle, motor to motor.
Yeah, motor to motor.
Motor to motor, man.
Yeah.
So we gonna see what happens, y'all. We gonna have the footage coming for y'all.
Hey, Fresh, play me some motherfucking pimpin'.
Fresh beat. Fresh beat. set up.